These are unprecedented times in the history of the world. COVID 19 has really changed the way everybody does business all around the world. Around March 8th, when COVID 19 started becoming serious, we realized that we need to ensure the safety of our employees as well as ensure the business continuity for our customers. So we worked on BCP plans in a work from home model. Around March 20th, when things were escalating, we decided that we would do a work from home model for all our employees across all the centers.
Moving to a work from home option meant a lot of changes for us, and it came with its own set of challenges from a logistics perspective. This massive exercise had to be performed across 6 small towns with 10 office locations in 4 different states for 2,200 employees. Computer systems had to be physically shifted, connectivity options had to be worked out, various HR and operations policies had to be created. Project management practices such as reporting mechanisms, tracking methodologies had to be recreated to support the work from home options.
We had to lay a process for training people in quick time, have them try hands-on in the office, work in the office environment for some time, for building robustness and to ensure minimal disruption, if any, during BAU. It's been draining emotionally and physically for the people. Our team members have worked round the clock to make this possible. They had to motivate employees, make them understand the need to step up, appreciate the challenges at hand, handle their anxious spirits, communicate positively and clearly with stakeholders, and at the same time ensure delivery of customer business metrics, with challenges mounting by hours. An experience of a kind indeed.
We quickly put together a COVID response team, which had members from all the functions and departments, and started putting together and looking at options that were available as BCP options available to us. Based on those options, we kind of put together a checklist of what we needed to do with our customers and what we needed to do internally. We started reaching out to all our customers, sharing with them the options available to them, and asking them for their inputs on, what they would like us to go ahead with.
Each location spearheaded by ensuring that the hardware was thoroughly checked, was thoroughly looked at for all patch updates, for rightfully looked at configuring the policies on the firewall, enabling licenses on the VPN on the firewall, and making sure that the change management was announced to the customers in due course, making sure that the agents understood what steps they had to take, and so on and so forth. So each of them were done to ensure complete compliance that is possible in the given situation in protecting the data of each of our 28 plus clients that we have, and ensuring that the operational functional needs are duly met in the most secure way that is practically possible within a short span of time.
Work from home is completely a new experience for all of us, as we never had even the policy before COVID-19. Considering multiple projects in different shifts, tracking our resource availability is a key challenge. By putting a shared doc, we could able to track the team-wide status quickly. Also, process-related updates and knowledge transfer being efficiently managed through Google Meet and Zoom. Our inbuilt workflow tool and customer application helps us to track the productivity and utilization remotely. Also, daily performance dashboards are being shared with all our stakeholders.
We went live just in time a day before the Prime Minister announced the 21-day lockdown. This was a proud moment for Nestwell. And even prouder was the fact that within 24 hours after this, we are on to our business as usual